How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow, that's good. Okay. And how about the weather? How is the weather today?
Rainy.
Wow. Oh, it's also rainy here. Is it rainy all day or not?
Yes,
Oh, I see. Okay, so I guess you're just staying at home. Am I right?
yes.
Yes, okay. Well, anyways, can you tell me what did you do today? Mm-hmm.
I sleep.
Oh, did you sleep all day? Are you sure?
Yes,
Oh, and you didn't study today?
yes.
Oh, okay. It seems like you're tired. Okay, anyways, for today, we are going to continue to study your book, okay? Oh, yes. Okay, sir. I'm going to share it with you. Please wait. All right. Just wait for a moment. Okay, I guess it's here. Yeah. Okay, here it is. Okay, can you see your book now?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can. Okay. So anyways, last time we talked about Indo-Arabic numbers, right? Like the Roman numerals. Yes, and Roman numerals too. Okay, so let's try to understand what are these. Okay, so of course, can you please read this one before this part here?
Mm,
This one. Before Indo-Arabic.
for Hindu, Arabic, the number is L.
You
Call it
called,
Roman
yes, called Roman
numeral.
numerals. Yes, Roman numerals.
You can still see Roman.
Numerals.
Roman. Today, Roman.
Yes.
Letter. Do you found any
No. Yes.
numero?
Okay. Here are, okay, so do you or have you ever heard about Roman numerals? No? Is it your first time to hear this word?
Yes.
Ah, okay. So anyways, I'll discuss to you what is Roman numerals. So here are some examples of Roman numerals. So this symbol is equivalent to 1. Okay? So when, let's say when we write number, this one, 1, and this one,
One.
letter, this is letter I, right? Letter I. So letter I in Roman numerals is equivalent to the number 1. Okay? 1. Yes, and letter V, okay, is
He is five.
5. Very good. X
Is 10.
that's correct. Good job. Okay, so we'll try to I'll try to give you example. Okay. How do you put a number when the letter is I and V? Okay, if you're going to put it together, what
4.
will again?
4.
Oh, that's 4. Okay, very good. All right. So, yes, how do we come up with that? So, let's discuss here. Can you please read this part? You combine.
You combine this letter to make other number for example.
Okay, for example, so we have V and I. So, why
Is
is it?
6.
Yes,
6.
correct. It's 6. Why? Why do you think it's 6? It's because you just have to add, right? You just
Is
have,
five
yes.
and 1.
Okay, correct. So V is 5, right? V is 5, I is 1. So you just have to add. So 5 plus 1 is, yes. All right, again, 5 plus 1 is equivalent to
5,
6.
6.
Yeah, so let's say 5 plus 1 is 6. That's why in Roman numerals, we call this 6. It's called 6. Okay, now, as you can see here, there are a lot of Roman numerals, right?
Yes.
Yes. So how do you know that it's number 18? Okay, very simple. What's X? Again, what's X? What's the, okay, what is it?
10.
10. Okay. And V is?
5.
I is?
1 and 1.
Correct. So you just have to add these numbers. 10 plus 5.
Is,
10
mm,
plus, okay. Do you know how to add numbers? Yes. Do you know how to add numbers? Like
mm.
you just have to add 10 and then you count, you just have to add 5. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So 10 plus 5 is how much?
18.
Oh, no, no, no. 10 plus 5 first. 10 plus 5, it's 15, right? This one. Yeah.
10, 15.
Okay, 15 plus 1,
16, 17,
17,
18.
18. Correct. So the Roman numerals or the Hindu Arabic numbers or the Roman numerals, I mean, is XV and then
I,
triple I. Okay, did you get that?
S, C, and triple I.
Correct. Okay. Now let's try the other one. Okay. Can you please read? What?
Mm. But when you pass the
Put. Yeah, when
small,
you put the
put
smaller
the smaller number on the left,
left,
left, you
subtract
subtract to
to
make the
make the
number.
number. Exactly. Okay, so how do we do that? Okay, so it just means that if, okay, if we're going to put the smaller number into the left side, okay, it means in this part, all right? So what,
IV
yes, IV. So you just have to subtract. Do you know what subtract is? You just have to, yes, do you know what this word means? Okay, please wait. All right. Oh, I cannot click. All right, this one. Subtract. Okay, do you know this one?
subtract.
Yes. So when you subtract, you have to deduct a number. Okay, so that's why it's 4. It's because we have to subtract the number because I is smaller than V, right?
Yes,
Yes, so that's why. Okay, so 5 subtracted to 1 is 2,
is for
4. Okay, another one. I and X. Why is it 9?
is a subtract and
2,
1
1. Correct. So X is equivalent to 10, right?
is 9.
10, yes, correct. 10 and then 1 is I. So it's 9. That's why it's 9. Okay, did you understand now the use of Roman numerals? Yes? Did you understand?
Yes,
Oh, yes. Good. Okay. So let's try the activity below. Okay, I guess there's an activity here. All you have to do is to put the Roman numerals. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so you just have to, what are these Roman numerals? So what are these Roman numerals? This one, what's this?
It's 3.
Oh, very good. Okay, that's 3. Next one, what about this one?
Mm.
That's
11.
Oh, are you sure?
Mm.
Okay, try to think. X is 10, V is 5, I is 1. What will you do? Do you add them or do you subtract them?
Mm.
Yes. Okay, as you can see there, the biggest number is 10,
Mm.
right? It's in the beginning. So we're not going to subtract. We have to, yeah,
Yes.
we have to add. Yes. So X is 10. All right, so I'm gonna put here 10, and then V is, what's the number for V? V is,
It's 10
yes,
and
V. What's the number for V? V is
B is 5.
5.
5.
That's right. Okay, 5 while
40. 50.
okay, I. There's I. So we have to put 1. I is 1. So that's, how much is that?
60.
Correct. Okay, that's 16. Okay, so this Roman numeral is 16. Okay, what about this one? Can you try it?
Mm.
Okay, as you can see there are
22. 22.
wow, very good. That was quick. Okay, so 22 is correct. Okay, good job for this. All right, now let's try to go to number 2. So in number 2, you have to write the Roman numerals
Yes.
for, yeah, so how do we write the Roman numerals for 8?
Yes.
How, how do you write a Roman numeral for 8? Yes? Okay, can you try it? Okay, so in this part, we're not going to add. Okay, instead we have to subtract. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So what is the first thing that we do? Okay, so here's what we will do. Since that's 8, okay, so we have to put here, okay, um, x minus, or subtracted 2 or double I, right? Double I. So that's why it's 8. But it says here that we need to put first at the beginning the smaller numbers. Okay, which is smaller, I or X? Yes, which is smaller, I or X?
B3. A B triple I.
V and then triple
Triple.
I. Okay, is this what you mean?
B triple I.
Okay, yes. So we have, all right, so we have 8V and then triple I. Okay, what about the Roman numerals for 25?
25.
Yes.
Yes, Dad.
Yes. What about for 25? How do we write down the Roman numerals for 25? Okay, since it's bigger, right? It's bigger now. Mhm.
25
Yes.
is
25.
S S B.
You mean just say double X? Is that right? This one?
Yes, S S B.
Oh, good job. Okay. Next one is 33.
Yes, B.
Yes.
S 3. Triple I.
Okay, so triple X, right?
Yes, triple S
Triple
S
X and triple
I.
I. Yes. Wow, that is very great. Okay, good job. All right, so I guess you already know how to write Roman numerals correctly. Wow, I'm so proud of you. Okay, now let's go to the next part. Okay, still we were talking about numbers here. So read and solve the puzzle. What are the next two numbers in the Fibonacci sequence? Okay, so you
Yes,
know who is Fibonacci, right? It's yeah. Okay, so Leonardo Pisano Fibonacci also invented a very small sequence of numbers called the, can you read that?
uh, Fi- Fibonacci
Yeah,
sequence.
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 Okay, I'm going to write it down so you could also have the idea of how to spell the word. Okay, it's Fibonacci sequence. Okay, there you go. All right. So what or how do we solve this?
Fibonacci.
Correct.
Se-
Yes. Okay. So how do we solve these numbers? So as you can see here, we start with zero, right? Zero.
is
What's one?
0 and 1 is 1. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 3 is 5. 5 and 8 is is
Yes. How do you read that?
is 20.
Oh, is that 20 or 13? Isn't it 13? This one.
Is- mm,
Yeah. 5.
20. 20.
5 plus 8 is 13.
10.
Okay.
10,
Yes.
10 and 30, 31
Okay.
is
21.
is
And then 21 and 34.
is
This one.
20, 34.
34. 21 and
40,
34.
44.
Okay. What is the next number after 34? Okay. Do you know how to solve it? Or do you have any idea what will be the next number?
34.
After 34. What's the next number? What?
42.
Sorry, 42?
Yes.
Okay. Let's say so
i-
20, 21, and then 34, right?
Yes.
Okay, all you have to do is to add. All right. 1 plus 4. That's
It's 45.
35.
35, yes.
Are you sure it's 35?
Mm,
2 plus 3. it's, oh, yes. So, yeah, that's 55.
55.
Yes, for you not to get confused. Okay, so 55 is correct. Good job. Now, what should be the next number after 55? Yeah,
Five. And 54.
sorry. Can you type it down?
54.
54. Did you say 54?
Yes.
No, it isn't. It's not 54.
Hmm.
Okay, all you have to do is to add again 34 and 55. What's the result?
Hmm.
34 plus 55. So here, 34 plus, oh sorry, plus 55.
55
Mm-hmm.
is 70, 79.
Sorry, 79, 7.
55. 5.
Okay, let's, oh sorry, let's try
79.
7. So you mean to say 7, number 7?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. Okay, so again, 4 plus 5 is 9. You're correct. 3 plus 5. Is it 7 or 8?
It's 8. It's not 89.
Yes, correct. It's
Hmm.
89. Okay, good job.
Wow.
Okay, so in this Fibonacci sequence, very easy. You just have to add the numbers that comes before it. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Okay, good. So we will try to answer this equation right here. Okay, there's a problem. Here are some more sequences. Look and write the missing numbers. Okay, let's try this one. Okay,
Yes.
all right, here, let's try it.
2 and
Yeah,
4 is 6. 6 and 9.
that's 8. That's 8. 6 and 8.
6 and 8 is 40. 40.
4, sorry,
Oh, uh, it's 10.
10. Okay, it's 10. That's correct. Next.
Well, it's 4.
Yes. So after, or yeah, after 10, that's 12, 14, and then
60.
16. Very good. Okay. So, all right. Sorry for this. Okay, that's 16. Very good. All right. So for that, I'll give you, okay, 1 star. Okay, let's do the other one. Okay, here, 2, 4. Okay, what about this one? 2,
2. 2 and 4 is 6.
oh, are you sure it's 6? Because if we're gonna put 6 there, I don't think 16 will be the answer. Okay, what will you do there? Yes, as you can see, we have after 2, it's 4. Okay, and what's next to 4?
Mm, yes. Mm,
Yes. Can you try it? Because on the first part,
10.
I'm sorry,
10.
10. Hmm. Okay, if we're going to put 10 here, do you think
Mm,
the next number is 16?
mm,
Okay, you try. There are a lot, or there are other ways and how you solve this. So, okay,
yeah.
yes. Okay, try to think of numbers next to 4. Yes.
Mm,
Okay, do you have any idea? So we have 2, 4,
mm. 8. 12.
12.
Yes.
Okay, so we have, okay. So we're gonna put, if we're gonna put 12 here,
Mm,
I do you think the next number for 12 is 16?
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, it says that we just have to add. Okay, remember, we just have to
Yeah.
add the numbers right there. Okay, so yes, once again, we have, so I don't think so. Let me erase this one. Okay, so 2, we have 2. If we're gonna add 2 plus 4, that would be 6, right?
Yes.
Yes, but I don't think that it will be equivalent. 4 plus 6 is, 16. So 4 plus 6, how much is it? That's 10, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Mm,
So if we're gonna put 6 here, the answer should be 10. Yeah, so it's quite confusing, right? Okay, so this time I'm gonna give you this one as your homework. Would it be okay with you? Yes.
yeah.
Okay, and we'll just have to answer the next part in our next class. Okay, so all you have to do is to study on how you're going to answer this. Okay, you just have to put the missing numbers. All right.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, do
Yeah.
you have any questions? No.
Yes.
No. Okay, yes, I guess you don't have any questions. All right, so anyways, I guess we're almost time. Yeah, so we'll just continue to learn more about this. Okay, and I'm so proud of how you were able to quickly understand the lesson. So keep going, and we'll just continue this one in our next class. Okay.
Goodbye, teacher.
Yes, bye bye, see you again.
Goodbye, teacher.